Oh, butterflies.
Time to get up, Triggs. It's breakfast time.
Oh, no, I don't want to get up. I'm too sleepy.
Triggs, you can't stay in bed all morning. It's a lovely sunny day.
Oh, that's what that pesky birdie outside the window has been saying since sunrise.
You mean this little birdie?
No, my ears.
Good morning, little birdie. I wonder what he's singing. I know what you're singing. You're singing a song to Triggs, aren't you? Come and play with me up in the garden. We can climb a tree up in the garden. Feel the cool breeze up in the garden. We'll join the birds and bees and greet the day.
Excuse me, I couldn't help but noticing that you've picked me up and placed me on this here castle made of sand.
Maddie, the shell is moving. It's running around the sandcastle.
Oh dear, I think you might have picked up a shell that's still in use.
Ye be right in what ye say. 'Tis not an empty shell ye picked, but the trusty home of yours truly, Sailor Nancy, the fanciest sailor crab to ever walk sideways along these shores.
Well, it's all well and good crunching leaves, but some of us live here, you know.
Sorry, Reginald. We had no idea.
If you crunch all the leaves, then where am I going to live? And what am I going to eat?
Doggy biscuits?
I don't think caterpillars eat doggy biscuits, Triggs.
What do they eat then?
What do we eat? Why, crunchy, munchy, delicious leaves, of course.
Oh, hi, Mr. Raindrop. It's lovely to meet you.
Likewise, young lady. Now, did I hear someone calling me silly?
Yes, I did. What have you got to say for yourself coming down here, ruining our camping trip?
Dad!
I do apologize, sir, but I don't decide when the clouds bust, you know. 1 minute, I'm sitting pretty, floating over the mountains. Next thing, I'm falling through the air like nobody's business.
Emergency SOS incoming, Captain Maddie. Shall I open the channel of communication?
Please do, Lieutenant Triggs. Who is it?
Quack, quack, SOS, SOS. Please help, I appear to be in a spot of bother.
It's Dennis the ducky.
What seems to be the problem, Dennis?
I seem to be snagged on some sort of chain somewhere around the bottom of the ocean floor. Help!
Stay where you are, Dennis. The squeezy wheezy is on its way.
Okay, brushes in hand.
Check.
Toothpaste on board.
Check.
Then we are ready to commence brushing in 3, 2, 1, go! Good, good. Nice movement there, Maddie.
Honk, cock.
And you too, Triggs. Lovely rhythm.
Thanks, Mr. S.
At this rate, we'll be hearing from your white and pearlies soon.
Who are the white and pearlies?
You know, your pearly whites. Your teeth. Don't you know that if you brush them really well, they sing you a song?
What? Is that true?
Sounds like it's worth a try to me, Maddie.
That's the way to do it, Triggs. Nice, steady brushes up and down. Super work there, Maddie. Lovely, swishy little circles. That's what the white and pearlies like.
Hello, hello, hello.
Maddie, I think your teeth are about to start singing.
I think you might be right, Triggs.
Let us introduce ourselves.
There shouldn't be any Hey, where did the recipe go?
I don't know.
The small pink piece of paper, it was right here.
Oh, I think I might have eaten that, Mr. S.
What? You ate Granny's recipe?
Well, it did say really tasty cake on it.
I don't think that's how recipes work, Triggs.
This is a disaster. What are we going to do?
Dad, I'm sure we can remember how to bake a cake. I mean, how hard can it be?
You're right, Maddie. We can do it.
What have I got to lose, I suppose?
But Johnson, my doggy Triggs has a sore paw and he's lost his wolf.
Lost his woof? Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that paw looks a bit red, all right. I might take a closer look if that's okay.
Of course. We'll wait here.
Mom, I hope Triggs is gonna be okay.
Don't you worry. I've been through this vet's many's a time, and Vet Johnson has never let me down.
See, Maddie? Triggs is going to be fine. You just keep thinking positive thoughts.
We've been best friends since he was a little puppy. I love rubbing his belly even when it's all muddy, when I'm feeling sad or a little grumpy. Triggs and snuggle up beside me, never lonely when he's with me. Granny, I didn't mean to say your house was boring. I love your stories.
And your biscuits are the best, Granny.
It's just, I like going on adventures. And it's raining outside, and I have all this energy.
Ah, adventures. So why didn't you say so? I have them things all the time. I love a bit of a disco.
Disco?
Triggs, what's happening?
Maddie, we seem to be on board some kind of a train.
And not just any old train. It's my magical disco train.
Magical disco train?
All aboard!
Triggs, wake up!
What's happening?
Shh, keep your voice down. We don't want to wake Mum and Dad.
We don't?
Absolutely not. We're going on a mission, Triggs.
We are?
We're going to sneak into the kitchen and eat some of Mum's tasty, crispy buns.
Oh, Maddie, but they're for Mr. S's birthday tomorrow. We can't eat them.
We won't eat them all, just one or two. And as long as we're super quiet and don't make any noise, no one will ever know.
Are you sure this is a good idea, Maddie?
Trust me, Triggs. I've never been so sure of anything in my whole life.
If you say so.
Come on, follow me.
Okie dokie.
Shh, keep it down.